Good morning YouTube. I had a few prior messages on my previous videos on repairing the Makita 18 volt batteries and how I prepare the batteries, the 18650 cells for the repair of the Makita batteries. So just a quick video. Basically, you get your if you're going to eBay, you can look up used or faulty laptop battery packs. Buy them in. It's pot luck. You'll either get good ones or you'll get bad ones. Usually there's one or two cells dead in a pack, and then the rest you just take them to pieces. I'm not going to do a video on taking them to pieces. There's loads of videos on YouTube to show you how to take them to pieces. Just be careful. There's some sharp pieces of metal inside, just follow the videos. I've basically got three cells here to take to pieces. I've got some new Makita boards, so I want to make up some more battery packs for my power tools. So basically take all the batteries out, all the 18650s out of the battery packs, and strip them down to the bare cells. And as you can see here, I've got 4 going on charge. Just cuts down on time. If you've only got one charger, it does take a bit of time because you have to charge it up and then discharge it to find its capacity. But I mean, I've made these up myself. These are 1 amp chargers from eBay. As you can see here, it's 5 delivered for £1.95. It's a no-brainer. That's from Cell Bible. Yeah, £1.95 for 5 charging boards. And basically you can just stick them in a battery holder like I've done, hardwire them in, as you can see here, hardwire it in onto the battery, then the USB into a distribution USB port, and that'll charge them up fine. I've got another one here which is a Soul Shine. This shows you the capacity of what's going into it. That'll charge all different cells up as well. And then I've got the old Trenergy charger as well. So what you want to do is first of all you want to go through all the cells before you start charging them. You want to go through all the cells and check the voltages of them. Anything below, I'd say, these are actually 1.2, so they are a bit low, but I do like to try them just in case, charge them slowly. So anything below 1.2, you're into unknown territory. You may recover them, you may not. Anything below 1, forget it, kind of thing. But 1.2 is about your limit. So you want to check all your voltages first, make sure that you've got voltage on all of them. So like 1.2 is your minimum, anything above is a plus, and then basically you want to fully charge them all. Ignore whatever readings you get on your charge, just really, I like to go off the discharge rate of them to find out the capacity of them, and I'll follow that up in a minute when these are all charged up. Get back to you in a minute. Bye. One thing I did forget to mention, all these chargers are basically charging at 1 amp. If you're using this type of charger, whether it's the Trenergy, there's a lot of variation to this type of charger. You basically want to be charging it at 1 amp on the LiPo setting. So yeah, charge everything at 1 amp on a single cell until it's fully charged. Right, welcome back. Quite a few cells tested now. The Trenergy is charging that battery up. The 2 homemade chargers are charging them 2 batteries up. The Soul Shine, however you pronounce it, is charging that one up. I'm on the discharge section now. So I've got basically, including the Trenergy, we can do a discharging. I've got 2 types of dischargers, which is this one and this one I've got two of those, one there and one there. These are more flexible. These can actually, the thing I like about this is you can dial in the current on this one, which is quite high on this one. You can actually, I think it's 10, it's 9.99 amps, and you can change the voltage that you wish to discharge down to. So this V is the voltage sorry about this. This V is the voltage you wish the cell to be discharged down to. So what I want to do on this one is set it to, I usually set it to 2.9. 9, and then the current, I usually do that down to not the current, sorry, the current discharge is 1 amp, what I use. Yep, so this is going to now put a load of 1 amp onto this battery, yeah, and discharge it down to 2.9 volts. It's fan cooled, going, and there she goes. And then at the end of it, where you see the amp hour in the middle, sorry, the amp hour there, that'll give you a figure here of the capacity of the battery. Now this is one what's been done before, and this one had 2020, which is, you know, is alright. It's a good capacity. That's a good battery. I'm very happy with that battery. And that's basically how you find out the capacity of your 18650 cells. 2000 and above is a good cell. You know, they'll in high current power tools, great. 1500, 2000 down to 1500. They're okay for power tools. I've had no problems with them. Anything under 1500 down to 1200, they're okay for lighter duty applications like torches, or, you know, not high current applications. So that's why you have to charge them up and discharge them to find out the actual capacity of the battery before you start using them. Hope you find this video helpful. Any questions, just ask. Thanks, bye.